strike. National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Flagler County in northeastern Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pearson, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of South Central Flagler County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Ormond by the Sea, moving east at 10 knots. Additional storms to the west over northwest Volusia County may reach the coast north of Hobbs Inlet. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ormond by the Sea, Beverly Beach, Palm Coast, Ormond Beach, and Holly Hill. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent cloud-to-water lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck and, if possible, avoid ungrounded metal objects. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. The severe thunderstorm warning. Northeastern Volusia County in East Central Florida until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Daytona Beach, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Daytona Beach, Port Orange, Ormond Beach, South Daytona, and Holly Hill. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Volusia County through 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.